I have Wendy here.
Single, available, negotiable.
Hi guys, good afternoon. It's 12:20 already in the afternoon. And yeah, I miss my husband have a package, I don't know, from somewhere, but it's UPS delivery. And it's already, the guy went here. I don't know. I don't hear it. But yeah, they left a note that they need somebody to be here to get their package, to sign the package, that we received the package, la 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 la, like that. And I wasn't here, or maybe I was upstairs and I don't hear it. So yeah, so I am waiting for my mother-in-law to call me, and I am waiting also for my friend Wendy, because she is coming here. She is coming here, and it's already, yeah, I'm just, waiting. Sunburn. Oh god. I boiled some chicken. Oh no, it's a turkey breast. I boiled it for the dog because that's what we do. And what happened is, my husband, when I told my husband that I boiled it already because it's already defrosted, so he told me to bake it. So I will show you. Look, that's it. I put water to make it moist and not dry. So this dog, guys, these two dogs, especially Roxy, she's a big dog, and she can like, stand up and get something in the table, grab, and she love the peppers, which is annoying because there's a lot of peppers in the table, which is, it's not mine. It's, you understand what I mean, right? So, yeah, this smells burnt here. I don't know where's Wendy. My husband got a package. This is another package for him, but the other one, I don't know why they need somebody. This is from Mrs. And I don't want to open it because he told me not to open anything. Because he usually told me to open stuff, if there is a package for him, because he trusts me. And this time he doesn't let me open any of his packages. I think because it's Christmas and gift for people, blah blah blah. So okay. Aww. Hi, son. How are you, son? Oh, goodness, oi. What is it, oi? Oh, no, machine, Roxy, Roxy. What do you want? Oh, Mercedes. A Honda. Oh, the dog is out here. Look. Crazy dog. Oh, mga tulo mo, ano ba? And I have rain here. Oh. Hi, Win. She's leaving back to Texas.
I'm leaving.
Ay, ginoo ko. Hey. Oh my god, lipay kayo sila, Win. They're happy. It's been a while that they've never been in the back. Ano man? Unsa? Hala, ha?
Na refrigerator?
Oh. Bukat ng gamay. Tara, warang gamay, Win. Gamay-gamay na, Win. Pero, oh, maunay grabe ka. Puan. Para away. Kusog babaak sa liog. Look, ang dako. Kapuyan man na siya ron ng dako. Kay kuan man na iyang tiil.
Mas nice gid ba kung nasa sila kauban para di sila ma sila ka dula-dula.
Ito. Nindot ba yan yung brown pag muda ko when murag lion? Leonberg man na siya. Oh. Mutaas man na iyang buhok.
Tanado ko sa konde.
Pag muda ko sila.
Mga kababayan, mga Pinoy, mga Pinay.
Hi guys, this turkey is for Misty and Roxy. And Wendy is holding my phone right now.
Exactly. Look at that. Look at that piece of I was gonna tell Anne to like, hey Anne,
It smells good.
I want some of the turkey, but then she's like, it's for the dog.
Gusto ka mo uli, no?
No,
Mao na siya. Wadto na nga siya Texas.
I'll be needing stitches.
Gusto ka mo uli, no? No. Mao na siya. Wadto na nga siya Texas.
I'll be needing stitches.
Gusto ka mo uli, no? No. Mao na siya. Wadto na nga siya Texas.
I'll be needing stitches. Mommy and Daddy.
You don't have mommy and daddy right here. So what?
You're my mommy and Tommy is my daddy. You're gonna adopt me because I'm all by myself.
Yeah.
Bye.
She's alone. Well, she have a lot of friends. Anyway,
Single, negotiable, available.
single nigga. Oh, you guys, if you're single, just let me know. I have Wendy here.
Single, available, negotiable, adorable,
Yeah.
cuteable.
Shortable.
Shortable.
Yeah, I'm serious, Wendy. Oy, what do you want for dinner? Do you want hibachi? Do you want
You know,
red ribbon?
we just ate not that long ago, and then MaryAnn wants to go to eat again.
No, for dinner. She had lunch. That's her lunch.
That's a big lunch. I had bulat.
Dried squid.
Bulat.
And what else?
It's better than any other restaurant food there. Oh my god, so good.
Okay, so good. So good that you don't even finish it.
It's because I was too full. Look at my belly, it's growing.
Yeah. So I don't know, guys. We have to decide later.
The Republican presidential debate in Las Vegas, 18 million people watched it on TV, and Major Garrett was there.
Marco knows
Which
what
is
he's
good.
saying isn't true.
First-term senators Marco Rubio and Ted Cruz sparred over charges.
We'll dry out on Friday, cool you down on Saturday. Wind chills just in the 30s.
All right, John, thanks so much.
Look, she's gonna put her one leg up. Look. That's what she's going to do. She's gonna put her leg one up. Look. Look, she's gonna put her leg. Look, she's gonna put her leg. Yeah guys, I am making some roast beef and it looks so good. And if you can smell it right now, it smells so good too. It smells so delicious. Okay guys, I will see you later. I'm just gonna keep watching this YouTube and I will see you later. I don't really have nothing to do today.